Hello everybody that's watching this video, and today we're gonna learn how to speak in French. So how to speak in French, first thing that you will have to know is how to order things at restaurants. Alright, so there are a few foods that I recommend, like the pasta over there, which is called pâtes in France. We have rice, which is called riz. We have, if you want to go to McDonald's or something, for a Happy Meal, it's called Happy Meal. Second thing that you would get in it would be a chicken nuggets, which is poulet in French. It just means chicken, but it will work as well. So for fries, it's frites, and apparently they are way better in France.